Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on SONY Xperia 1 Mark VII. So you have to start by opening your Google app, then click on your avatar and now go to settings, then click on Google Assistant and click on voice match. Then click here to enable Hey Google feature and now you have to scroll down and click I agree. Then scroll down and click I agree again and click on next. Then click on retrain voice match model. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set timer for 5 minutes. Then click next. And now you have to go back and click on lock screen. Then click yes I'm in and make sure that the first option stays on. And then you can go back and go back again. Then click on Gemini and click on more and continue. And then scroll down and click use Gemini. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.